Hey friends, in this video I would like to demonstrate how you can use Authorizer as an OpenID IDP. So what I have done is I have an Authorizer instance running on my machine. I have tunneled it via ngrok. I have created an OpenID Connect connection in Auth0. So here I would have like login with Authorizer button, and there I have specified the client ID and client secret with the ngrok URL, that's the issuer URL, and just saved the changes. Now let's try to debug this. So here I have specified Auth0 endpoint as the authorization endpoint, the Auth0 client ID, and I will be using code type to perform the authorization code flow. So let's give it a try. I'll send a request. So as you can see, we have login with Authorizer button. I'll click on that. It tunnels me to the Authorizer instance. Once I'm logged in, I'll be redirected back to our OAuth debugger via enterprise. And now if I start this again, I'll have that token. As you can see, it performs the PKC flow, and now the authorization happens via Auth0, let's say, because I've used Auth0 as a middleware for connecting the OpenID, but you can use any service that you are using right now. So yeah, this is a demo for using Authorizer as an OpenID Connect provider. Thank you.